Hello and welcome everybody, this is Erin here and you are on my channel for Workout Wednesday. Welcome back and I'm so excited to do a 15-minute HIIT upper body workout. I know we want those nice toned arms, and I also know that you can give yourself 15 minutes today and you can give me 15 minutes of all you got today to really tone those arms and get a good burn in. So we are doing 5 exercises and it is only going to be 5 exercises for 3 rounds. In a traditional HIIT style, we're going to do a set of work and a set of rest. So the set of work is 40 seconds of work and we're going to do only 20 seconds of rest. And obviously, like I mentioned, we're doing those 5 sets of exercise or 5 exercises 3 times to make up our 15 minutes. Now, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump right in with a warm-up. What we're going to do with the warm-up is I'm going to be demonstrating the exercises. We're going to do each exercise 5 times as our warm-up. We're also just going to start with a little bit of rotation and then we're going to jump right in. Let's grab a band. We're just going to do some rotations. Back and forward. 2. We're going up to 10. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, one more, then we're going to go around the world for 5, to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shake those arms up. Oh. Let's get ready. I'm going to be demonstrating the 5 exercises we're going to be doing our 3 rounds for. Exercise number 1, we're going to do alternating plank jacks. So we're going to go, that's 1. Let's do 5. Let's get nice and warmed up. We're going to be on our hands and on our toes. We want those hands underneath our shoulders, abs nice and tight, and we're going to jump out and back. Out and back. That's 1. Let's go for 2. Speed it up. 3, 4, 5. We're going to be doing that for 40 seconds before we take a nice break. Next, we're going to be doing tricep push-ups. So I'm going to drop the knees because my triceps aren't that strong yet. And what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a push-up, but we're going to hug those elbows nice and close to the ribs. Going to go all the way down and all the way up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. From there, after our 20 seconds rest, we're going to pop up onto the toes and we're going to do commandos. Down, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As many as you can do for 40 seconds. We're just getting nice and warmed up. After our 20-second rest for that, we're going to do some inchworms. Let's do 5 for warm-ups. 1, 2. Speed it up. 3, 4, and 5. Now the last one we're going to be doing is we're going to hold a handstand for 40 seconds. So there are 2 variations you can do here. You can go ahead and plant your hands down and pop your feet up like that. Or you can go ahead and kick it over. That's what I'm going to try. I'm still working on my handstands, and because handstands are something I do want to get better at, that's why I'm incorporating them in a kind of style like this. And trust me, you're going to feel the burn. So you can do it the other way, which is just to plant your hands down and to kick those legs up. Nice big kick. And we're going to hold for 40 seconds. After that, be sure to roll up nice and slow, because if you have a little low blood pressure or you've had all the blood rush to your head, you might feel a little dizzy. So make sure, please do this one with caution. We're gonna jump right in. I'm gonna set that timer. Let's turn the music up. I hope you're feeling warm. If not, feel free to pause that video, do a few more reps. Let's get going. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Are you ready? Starting with our plank jacks. 3, 2, 1. With the music, let's go. As many as you can do in 40 seconds. Core tight. Hands underneath those shoulders. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Whew. Good job, everybody. We've got a 20-second break. Stretch it out. Grab some water. 5 seconds. Ready for Commandos. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As many as you can do in 40 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 20-second break. Whoops. I stopped them around. We're actually supposed to do tricep dips or tricep push-ups. Let's do this now. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squeeze those elbows in nice and tight. Go on your knees like me if you need. 20 seconds to go. As many as you can do, keeping that form. If the form is breaking, go a little slower. 5 seconds. Woo. Good job, everybody. 20 seconds rest. Little popping up for an inchworm. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As many as you can do, don't go too slow. This is supposed to be high intensity. 15 seconds. 5. 20 seconds. Then we're going to hold that. Hold that. Push up. Handstand. I've got the word handstand. Oh my goodness. 5 seconds. Get ready. Let's go. job, everybody. Take that 20-second rest. Oh, I struggled to get up there. Did you see that? 10 seconds and we're going to jump right back into our plank jacks. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As many as you can go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Core tight. Get those hands under your shoulders. We got 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3. Woo. I'm feeling it. Doing it right this time. Next is tricep push-ups. Not commandos yet. Tricep push-ups and then commandos. We got 5 seconds. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hug those elbows tight. Let's go. Woo! Keep it up. 5 seconds. Ready for some commandos in 20 seconds. Grab some water if you need. 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Commandos, 40 seconds. As many as you can. 1, 2. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Come on, give it all you got. Good job, everybody. 20 seconds. And inchworm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me some inchworms. As many as you can do. 20 seconds. Whew. 5 seconds. Good job, everybody. Now for this one, it takes me a second to get in it. So I'm going to tell you when you have 5 seconds left, and that's when I want you to get in it, so that you're a little slower than me. Ready? Get into those handstands. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Every time felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own soul, but you came, you made me see job, everybody. Woo! I feel that burn. If you're struggling with those, feel free to take the last round in an overhead hold. Or try and do it just for one more round. Let's see. 3 seconds, 2, 1. Back to plank jacks. Let's go. Core tight. Hands coming back underneath each shoulder. Speed it up because we got 20 seconds. Woo, 10 seconds. And you're done. Woo. 20 seconds rest. Tricep push-ups. Elbows close to the body. We've got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Tricep push-ups. Keep it up. Halfway. 10 seconds. 5. Whew. Good job, everybody. We just got 3 exercises to go. Come on, stay with me. Commandoes up next. In 10 seconds. Doing okay? Crushing it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Last set of commandos for the whole workout. Seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Good job. Whew. 20 seconds, then some inchworms. 2 more exercises. Come on, everybody. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As many as you can do. This is a good beat. Pop. Tap. Pop. 20 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Good job. 20 seconds. I'm going to tell you when there's 5 to go. You're going to pop up into that handstand, or you're going to come right here and hold it. Your choice. 5. Let's pop it up. And the time starts in 3, 2, 1. movements. Go ahead and stretch it out a little. Whew. I'm shaking. Wow. Grab some water. I hope that shows you you really only need 15 minutes to get a crazy good burn in. Other arm. Roll those shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch it overhead and release. Round your back. Take it forward. Oh, got a good click in there. Take it behind. Roll over. Go to a wall. Let's do a flat back. Stretching out the shoulders. And release the hands. Roll up slowly and controlled. One vertebra at a time. Releasing the head up last. Can we have 3 deep breaths? Number 2. And number 3. We're breathing in love for ourselves because you crushed it. You came here today and you gave yourself that 15 minutes. I'm so proud of you. I will see you next Wednesday for another Workout Wednesday. I think next Wednesday is legs. Yeah, my favorite. Legs or booty. I'll see you there. Have a great day, everybody. Bye till next time.